it's Gina with WTI. Sometimes I struggle when putting on makeup, especially eyeshadow, and I've found this set of 4 from HALEYS to be so intuitive and easy to put on, and it just feels so good on my face. I generally stick to matte colors, and there are 3 that come with this. There's a cream color that I liked all over my eyelids for a really subtle, natural look, and a caramel brown color that was actually my favorite because it gave me some depth of color, but not so much that I felt clownish or like I couldn't blend it well. And the ash gray is so beautiful and goes with those other colors really well. I found that I could even use it for eyeliner to give it just a little bit of a smoky look without being over dramatic. Now, generally, I do stay away from shimmer colors, but I found this lilac taupe to be really beautiful, and I actually enjoyed wearing it a lot. It's not too glittery, it doesn't feel showy or overdone, but gives a nice, subtle, just glimmer to your eyelids that's really beautiful. And I found that I could even apply it to the inner corners of my eyes, my eyebrow, and my cheekbones as just a little bit of highlighter, and I really liked the versatility of that. This Re-play palette from HALEYS is my new favorite eyeshadow. It really is so versatile. The color palette is just perfect for basically any outfit that I wear, and I really like how easy it is to apply and how soft it feels. And that's my point of view.